What's happening, everyone? It is we're back with another video. You can see it's 9:44 a.m. So as you can already see by the title of this video, we're gonna be buying a turbo kit for the abandoned ass Civic that we have. Ooh, my alarm's going off. But yeah, we're buying a turbo kit right now. I got peer pressured by my brother last night to hit up some guy for a turbo kit. So we're on our way to go pick one up all the way in LA, where most of the deals are always at. But yeah, we're gonna go buy a turbo kit right now for the Civic. And I wasn't planning on putting more money into the Civic, but this came around, so we're just gonna go deal with it. And yeah, right now we're gonna go get some quick coffee and then head to the bank real quick and then make our way over there. It's like about an hour drive, hopefully less on the way back, but we'll see. But yeah, we'll see if there's traffic too. Alright guys, update. I am about 5 minutes away right now. I didn't really record the drive, I don't want to make it so boring, and then I was also too busy bumping it. But yeah, we're about 5 minutes away from picking up the turbo kit. I'm honestly excited because we're gonna have, you know, reason for the Civic. Have a, you know, I'll have a reason to work on the Civic, and then it'll be quick. It's gonna be a fun little project that we're gonna do. But yeah, we're gonna pick it up. I'll pick it right now. Once I pick it up, I'll pick up the camera again to show it to you guys. And it's a pretty good deal, and I'll show you guys what's gonna come with it.
Few moments later.
Alright, so here's the kit. Get a good eye on everything. So here we have the Ram and exhaust manifold. Then right here we have a Garrett turbo. Yeah, let you look at that. We got a Garrett turbo. Not sure what wastegate this is. Yeah, you can see how much of a ghetto job this turbo kit is. You see all them booger wells, all these patches. And then we have the intercooler right here. Sport JDM. I don't know if this is eBay brand, probably is. But then over here came with the Greddy blow-off valve. But oh, and he also gave me this oil cap. So put that right there. It'll actually kind of go good with the Honda. And then he gave me this new speed strut bar. Obviously I don't need it. I have a strut bar already. So we're gonna post that up for sale. And realistically, I might post like the whole turbo kit up for sale. I bought everything for $350. The turbo itself goes for $1,000. I'm not sure how much the Greddy blow-off valve goes for, but I'll post that up for like however much that goes for. Obviously the strut bar is gonna get sold. Intercooler, I'm gonna probably flip it as well. Oh, it also came with the oil pan, like already for the return line. But yeah, I'm honestly gonna probably just flip it and maybe use that money to buy a better kit, cause yeah, these welds are nasty. I don't know if they'll hold up. He was telling me that I need to do a few tack welds, patch it up. So it's I don't know if that's worth it, like trying to find someone to fix it up for me. So yeah, we're probably just gonna be selling that, but it does look cool though. It would be cool having it right here, especially since this thing's little by little turning into a race car. Whole bucket seat, race seat. Look at the shifter, gutted. I do want to turbo this thing though. We're eventually gonna go turbo, like for real. But yeah, we'll see what we do. But who knows? We'll maybe keep the kit and then just do everything else. Just redo everything else, like the I don't think the cooling side it really matters. If anything, I'll most likely do this. I don't know what you'd call this, to be honest. But I'll probably redo this whole bar with those whole piping. It does have a crack in the bottom too. I'll probably redo that if I do keep the kit. It's not too much of a big deal.
But yeah, maybe the oil pan as well. But if I do it, it'll probably be like a good 2 to 250 horsepower, depending. I think that'll be reliably good enough to make the car pull and all that and still be reliable. But you're not gonna be reliable regardless, maybe. As long as I don't abuse it, I think it should be good. But yeah. Alright, so I separated everything. Finally got the crossover bar off the turbo itself. So here's just the manifold. Ooh, shit. Let me fix it up. Here's the whole manifold and turbo itself. Here, push it back more. Should be good there. But yeah, here's the turbo and the manifold itself. The blow off valve. Here it is. And then wastegates over here. And then intercooler. And oil cap. But yeah, I'm probably gonna junk everything besides this if I decide to just sell the whole kit. But I don't know, guys. Let me know. Comment down below. Should we turbo the Civic, or should we flip the kit and then buy a better kit? 'Cause that's all janky stuff. I'd have to redo the whole crossover and like wastegate pipe, and then probably the oil pan too. I think they sell oil pans with the oil feed bong on already. But I don't know. I also have the strut bar. I'm selling that one for sure. I don't need that one at all. But what do we think, guys? Is this the move? Let me know, chat. Comment down below, yes or no, or something. Or should we fucking do an NA build? I think an NA build would be cool. Throw some cams on it, tune. I think that's it. Probably a better flow header as well. It has like a shorty, and it's like cracked as like JB Weld look. As you can see right there. But yeah, I don't know what else. I think that's gonna be it though. Yeah, comment down below what we think we should do. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, Instagram, put it right here. And yeah, that's it. Have a good one, guys.